Friends, I am in Kindy, Michigan with the Bwine F7 Mini. Friends, it's a breezy day and we're just going for a fun flight, and we have got a special guest. You can't see it in the picture at the moment, but I'm trying to spin and find it. Friends, there is a hawk. He is dive bombing us. I'm gonna spin around right here and come back towards myself, and then he's gonna actually pop up over this little barn a second time. Did not get close enough to the drone to actually take it out, but it was pretty darn freaky watching him come at us. Gonna pop up in the air just a little bit more right here, and then if you watch closely, it will come up out of the trees and come right at us. 3, 2, 1. There it is, and it comes right over at us, and then it finally heads off on its way. Here's a little slow-mo and zoomed in. Check out that amazing bird. And let's slow it down and see it from here as well.